2018 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist, overhead console, power moonroof, remote keyless entry. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.